Good morning, everybody. Well, this morning we're just on a quick drive from our home in Western Sydney to Foreshore Drive Boat ramp near Sydney Airport to catch up with some other super famous Sydney Tesla YouTubers. But basically, essentially, a summon race. That's really it. So I guess now we'll cut to a time lapse on our trip there, overdubbed with some cheap YouTube music. Okay, well, that's enough of that. Well, here we are at the Foreshore Drive Smart Summon Speedway for the inaugural Smart Summon Worldwide Championships held here in Sydney, Australia, comprising of two events. Event 1, the Straight Summon, followed by the main event, the Smart Summon Championship Round 1. So let's meet the competition for this inaugural Smart Summon Grand Prix.
Hi guys, here we are at Port Botany with three of the hottest YouTubers in Sydney right now. We've got Rob from SydEV. Hey Rob.
Good morning.
Hey. So what are we doing today?
I have no idea.
Dash, it's Tesla in the Gong. What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to do a smart summon, I don't know, it's smart summon test ride or something like that. So it's going to be fun.
What's going to happen, Adam? Teslastraya.
Well, I'm hoping the performance upgraded Model 3 can take it in Smart Summon, but we'll have to wait and see.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Starting with the white Tesla Model 3 Performance Stealth is Team The Problem With Inertia, driven by SydEV, followed by a red Tesla Model 3 Performance Stealth, Team Asta, driven by Tesla Tom. Then we have a red Model S, Team Wonder Woman, driven by Tesla In The Gong, followed up by the white 100% Performance Tesla Model 3, Team Casper, driven by Teslastraya. And while our teams are preparing their vehicles for their very first race of this Summon Grand Prix, the Straight Summon, let's check in with Tesla Tom to see how our drivers are feeling.
Adam, Teslastraya, how are you feeling at the moment?
I'm a bit nervous, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know who's going to get it, but we'll have to wait and see.
Hoping for the best?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm hoping for no accidents.
Yeah.
That's I think, the win for today is no crashes.
Safety first.
Absolutely.
What about you, Rob? How are you feeling at the moment?
I'm very confident I won't win.
Okay. It's not a race, you know that.
It isn't? Oh, okay, it's not a race.
It's safety
It's a technology
first.
test.
It is indeed,
Safety first,
Yeah.
second and maybe third.
Absolutely. Nash, Tesla in the Gong, how are you feeling at the moment?
I'm good, mate. A little nervous, to be honest. This is the wife's car that I brought Wonder Woman today.
Ooh.
It's not Superman. If it's Superman, I wouldn't care a damn, to be honest.
You could be sleeping in the doghouse if you're not careful.
I could be. This could be the last time you see me as a live and healthy person.
All right.
I might be down.
Good luck today.
Out.
Okay, so to forward summon, just press forward on the app there. We're all ready to walk our Teslas. All right. Can we get Sally to call? Get!
And they're off and racing in the world's first Straight Summon Grand Prix. And the tension is building
Oh my goodness.
slowly. And finally, all our cars start moving off.
going.
Team Problem
Watch
with
out,
Inertia
Sally.
taking an early lead. And Team Casco coming up a rapid second. It would also appear that
avoidance.
Wonder Woman has stalled at
Rob's
the
going
start.
well. I think Rob's in the lead
And the
currently.
Problem with Inertia is taking an early lead on the
Adam's
outside.
catching up.
With Casper in a very close second,
gone.
followed by Team Asta in third.
Those red calipers.
They're still
I'll
looking
tell
neck
you
and
what.
neck, while Wonder Woman
Oh,
still
Rob,
struggles
stop.
back at the start. And the Problem
Red.
Inertia has reached a
Go,
limit,
Red.
followed by Casper,
on.
Team Asta,
Keep
and
going.
Wonder Woman
Oh, that's
still
it, right?
looking to
12
finish
meters.
shortly. And Wonder
That's
Woman
it.
has made it up the start and slowly coming in to
What? No, I
finish
can't.
a very late
Go
fourth
again?
position.
Okay, go again.
So the results for the world's first Straight
round
Summon
two.
Grand Prix.
All right, Sally, can
Problem
you call
with
again,
Inertia,
please?
followed by Casper.
Sally's calling.
Third place is Asta, and fourth place is Wonder Woman, the Tesla Model S. And now on to our next event, split into two rounds, the Smart Summon Relay.
Okay, so for the uninitiated, of course, Smart Summon is Tesla's, ability to summon the car from, I think, about 36 meters. That's the limit, and that's part of the full self-driving suite of features for the Teslas.
Thank you, Tesla Tom. Now it's for round one of this Smart Summon Grand Prix. And as we can see, looking back down this course for the first Smart Summon Relay, our competitors' cars are in position and ready to race. Now back to Tesla Tom for a quick
Okay,
explanation.
so on the phone, you can see that we're just at the limit of the blue ring of Smart Summon. It's about 36 meters from what I understand, so We're 36 meters from our cars currently out there at the back of the lot.
Thank you, Tesla Tom,
Good to
for
go.
down at the finish line. And now
We're
our
on.
competitors have a green light from race control. We're off and racing.
Come on!
And almost immediately, Team Casper makes a nope out of here
Go
for the
Red.
exit.
Go- oh,
Asta
oh,
and
oh,
One More
oh.
Woman decide neither want to take the lead. The problem with inertia races to the lead down
let
the
go,
outside,
mate.
while Casper continues to follow the road rules. The problem with
That was
inertia
too
takes the
close.
lead. Asta and One More Woman decide who
I
are
think
going to
Sally and Rob
lose,
are gonna win
while
here.
Casper takes a scenic
Well done,
option.
guys.
But the race isn't over yet.
Good work.
Problem with inertia has stumbled, and Casper's still AWOL. But what is this? Wonder
Okay, I'm
Woman
going now.
from the back decides to go for the win. There's no way the Tesla
Wonder
Model
Woman.
S will let all these Model 3s take the victory.
Oh,
And that's it.
what are you
Wonder
doing?
Woman, the red Tesla Model S, crosses the line
mine's not
first,
coming anymore.
while the rest of these
Now.
Model 3s try and figure out where the hell it went, and the rest of the competitors try to figure out where Casper went. And it would appear Casper has actually crossed the line, not far behind Wonder Woman, albeit on the west coast of Australia,
Alright, come
followed
to it, come
by
You're
Problem
coming
with
now.
Inertia in third
Alright,
place,
here we
and Asta finishing up last on this inaugural Smart Summon
Alright,
Grand
that was a
Prix.
lot of fun.
Now it's time for a quick chat with our winner, Ash from Tesla in the
I had
Gong.
coffee this morning, so whenever you're doing smart summon, the driver must have coffee. That's the trick, guys. That's the trick.
What did you put in that car?
Well, there you have it, race and Tesla fans. The world's first inaugural straight and smart summon Grand Prix. With first place in the straight summon going to The Problem with Inertia, driven by SydEV and Dr. Sally. And the smart summon relay won by Wonder Woman, the Tesla Model S, driven by Tesla in the Gong. And it is tradition by all smart summon drivers at this inaugural Grand Prix. It's time to retire to the nearest charge station and a coffee. So thank you for watching this telecast of the world's first inaugural Smart Summon Grand Prix. And a big thank you to our competitors, Tesla Tom, Tesla in the Gong, Teslastraya, and Tesla and Elon Musk for creating such a fantastic product. And I would also like to mention our podcast, Phantom Lane 4, which you are witnessing the birth of right in front of your very eyes right now. Available on YouTube and all other usual podcast locations. So thanks again for watching, and take care, and don't forget to drive safe. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Until next time, happy charging.
Nice.